Today, I'm pleased to introduce the SMART-31 series. IDP is an industry-leading manufacturer of innovative ID card printers. We have a full line of products ranging from an affordable hand-fed printer to a high-capacity, high-volume production system. The SMART-31 offers a proven and reliable design, ideal for entry to mid-level demands with lower budgets. The first thing that you'll notice about the SMART-31 is its sleek design and compact footprint. The SMART-31 is available in both single or dual-sided printing. The SMART-31 is very user-friendly, with accessible card hoppers and easy-to-load ribbons. And boasts fine imaging printing technology. Easily create card templates and databases using IDP's Smart iDesigner software. The SMART-31 offers many optional features including Ethernet, magnetic and smart card encoding, as well as Smart Mark security and ultraviolet printing. The SMART-31 series offers industry-leading performance that is backed by our 3-year warranty and award-winning lifetime technical support. Start now. Your business deserves the best.